It's really important that we have good equipment that we can count on. We rely on lads for our service of the Jacobsen equipment, and then we rely on Jacobsen to provide us good equipment, and they do. We've been Jacobsen exclusive over these last 20 so years. We've always been very happy with it. It's been great equipment, and we look forward to going forward with our new courses and that same relationship. Golf in Memphis is big, and the city has 7 golf courses. We have 3 9-hole golf courses and 4 18-hole golf courses. Our renovation process is ongoing. By the end of 2024, we hope to have spent close to $20 million total, if not more than that, on renovations between full renovation of a golf course or partial renovation of a golf course, and then just some deferred maintenance, whether it be irrigation systems, cart paths, or other items like that. We demand that our courses play well, and some of them at a championship level. We have city championships, we host some state events, so we expect our greens to roll with good speed and have good quality of cut. We have GK4 greens mowers and we have GP400s, depending on the location. The GP400, of course, having such a better travel speed on our bigger courses helps, and bigger greens. And then on our smaller greens, we can use some of the economy of the GK4 and the durability of it at those locations, and especially for our grow-in of the new courses. Using the GK4 there has been paramount in getting those courses grown in. With fairway mowing, with us, our staff is pretty limited because we have some limited availability of workers. So we require that the LF570 mow quickly. We want to be able to get a quality cut, but mow ahead of play and get it done very quickly. And they've always been great for us. They have a lot of power, so they can cut through the dew when we're having to mow and when it's wet. But they also cut very well, and we get a good cut afterwards. So we're very happy with the LF570 and plan to continue using it. I believe the speed of which we're able to mow rough and the quality of cut and being able to cut through high grass, because sometimes with our limited staff, it gets away from us a little bit. So we rely on the power of those units to be able to mow through. The maintenance of the machines is great. We rely on lads to do all of our routine maintenance, our preventative maintenance, greasing, oil changes, things like that. It's been fantastic. And there's not a lot of maintenance that has to be done to the Jacobsen equipment. It holds up, it does a great job, and we're very happy with the service that we have right now.